Hi friends, happy Wednesday. Welcome back to Phonemic Awareness for today. All right, for today's lesson, you are going to need your rhyming worksheet from your packet and a pencil or a crayon, something to write with. So go ahead and get those things if you need them. All right, welcome back. So today's learning target is I can make words that rhyme. All right, so let's just real quick go over what rhyming is. So we've been talking about rhyming so much. I bet you all could just go ahead and tell me right now what rhyming is. But when we rhyme, we are looking at the middle and ending sounds of a word. For example, if I had the word cat, if I had the word cat and I wanted to make a word that rhymed with it, I would need to have a word with the same middle ending sounds. So another word with at the end. So if you can think of another word that has at the end, go ahead and say it. All right. If you were able to come up with a word that rhymed with cat, that's awesome. One word that I thought of was pat. You can hear how pat and cat both have that same at sound. Middle and ending sounds are the same. We just changed one letter. So if we're finding words that rhyme, we're looking for words that have the same middle sound and ending sound with different beginnings. Let's try one more before we get into our worksheet. One example is sit. I want you to think in your brain any word that has it at the end. All you need to do is change the first letter. I'll give you 1 minute-ish to come up with a word that might rhyme with sit. All right, I'm not really sure if that was a minute or not. I don't know. But if you were thinking of a word that rhymed with sit, I was also thinking of a few. So one word that I thought of was pit. Another word I thought of was kit. And one more word that I thought of that doesn't quite fit on here was mit. Oh, that's a really bad M. But we have sit, pit, kit, and mit. And all of these words have IT at the end, it. All we did was change our first letter. Great, great, great. So since that's all there really is to rhyming, and we're awesome at it by now, let's go ahead and pull out our worksheets and our pencils and get ready to find words that rhyme. So for our first word, we have pan, and we are finding a word that rhymes with pan. Now, here's a trick. For your worksheet, the middle and ending sounds stay the same in a word that rhymes. So what we can do is we can take our AN and we can write our A and our N. And all we need to do is think of a letter that's not P. So let's see. I can think of tan or ban or can or fan. There's so many other words. So let's take fan. So and we already have and written. So what does and start with? That's right, F. So we're going to write our F. And just like that, we have a word that rhymes with pan. We have pan and fan. Very good. All right. So I'll go ahead and get you started on this second one, and then I'll let you go on your own. So fit has our middle ending sound, IT, it. So a rhyming word would also have it in the end. So I want you to think to yourself, what's a word that would rhyme with fit and that would have a different first sound? Go ahead and say it out loud if you thought of one. All right. Well, I thought of a word that I was talking about earlier. Sit. And once again, I want you to see how sit has IT as the middle ending sounds and fit has IT as the ending sound. And that is what makes them rhyme. Alrighty, I'm going to let you do the rest on your own since you are awesome at it. And that is all we have for you for phonemic awareness today. I will see you tomorrow on Thursday. Bye.